Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we traded the crude oil today here on May 25th, 2021. We're trading 3 contracts, stop of 15, goal 500, loss amount of 320, and basically at the bottom there on the information bar, it has all this information here about the trades. It did 3 trades, had 100% wins, and total net profit minus commission, we ended up with $496. So basically, crude, I just missed this trade here. Wanted to wait the first 5 minutes or so, and the market was kind of going sideways right at the open at 9:30, and then all of a sudden it takes off, So I guess I should have had the auto trader enabled back here, expecting a trend change, but it had its mind of its own sometimes, and crude just got some volume and off it went. And I was totally surprised because I thought we were going lower. So then I had to wait for the trend change, and I figured, okay, once we go higher here, we'll have a pullback and go back up this way. But crude had another plan. It just flushed straight down. So it doesn't matter with the auto trader. Up move, down move, it's not going to do the pattern you think it is, and it flushes and you hit your profit goal. That's all that counts. So we hit our first profit target, second profit, and then the third was a runner and hit our goal. So nice trade setup. And crude, like I said, has been moving pretty quick, and then it stalls out and then it moves. And so we're going to place another trade here, and we're going to reset the strategy with the same settings and try to catch the next rebound or flush. So let's look at that setup. And before we move on to the next chart, here's a screenshot of the strategy performance of that trade. As you say, it made 3 trades which were short. There's our goal minus commission. We had a commission of $13.26. Profit factor 99. Superior ratio, fantastic there, over 10. And then the rest of the information, average trade, largest winning trade, and basically profit per month if you traded this for 30 days and had the same results for 30 days of a $500 goal. So let's look on to the next trade. And here's the trade that we did prior to the first one, right at 9 o'clock. Market gets a thrust up, and then it has a small pullback. And like I said, crude oil's been trending up each day, so we went for this trade to trade long, and basically it had a pullback here. We still would have made some profit on the short, but the overall trend has been up each day in crude, and it gets long here. 3 contracts, first, second targets hit, and then the runner, you got to use a runner. It gets out with our max gain on the trade. So another good setup. And then here is the strategy performance for the trade. 486 was our total profit minus commission, 1326. And the rest, it made 3 trades, 100% winner long. Average trade, largest winning trade, 245. Average time in the market, what's that, 2 minutes or 2 minutes and 60 seconds? Anyways, less than 3 minutes, the trade. And if you did this on a 30-day basis on a monthly, that would be your profits per month. So let's look at one more trade we did since crude has been hot. You know, if the market is hot, you got to keep trading it. So after we hit our first two trades, we basically wait for the 10 o'clock time frame to put on another trade. And basically here the market is trending up again, like I said, after a pullback. And when I initially start the auto trader, I had the strategy off, and so I enabled it again to trade the same setup, and the strategy was off. So I missed this up move because I was managing a trade in the NQ. And then by the time I looked at the chart, I realized, oh, I got the button off. So you leave the button off when you enable it so you don't get into some erroneous trade and get stopped out right away, especially on fast markets. And then once the strategy enables, plots all this on the chart, vertical line, this down here, the info. Then after a couple bars, I'll enable the strategy. And so the market was up, like I said, trending up, so we had the shorts off. And it gets it along here, hits its first two targets. It gets out right here at the top. And then we get our stop taken out here, and then it does a little trend change and sell off as it peaked at a high. And we get out with our goal here with some slippage, 513, our net profit minus commission. And then here's the strategy performance. As you see, Trading123 Autotrader down here at the bottom. 513 is our total net profit. Commissions 26 on 6 trades. Our Sharpe ratio, like I said, anything over 8 or 9 is good. This is a 10. And largest winning trade, $175. And this trade took about 9 minutes. And on a monthly basis, if you did $500 a day like this one, on 30 days, end up over 15K in profit. So that's our trades for the day on crude oil. Usually our goal is, 2 trades, 1,000, but the market's been, scorching to the highs. And so we took advantage of that last trade, ride the uptrend. And then we call it a day, and we come back and repeat the same thing the next day with the Trading123 Autotrader. So this is Patrick, head trader, Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video and the trading tips. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and all that social media stuff. Hope you have a good trading day. Till next time, we'll see you in the next video.